Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about something very important. It is about taking a break. Do you feel tired sometimes? Do you feel like you have too much to do? Maybe you work every day. Maybe you study all the time. Maybe you help your family a lot. Life is busy. Life is hard. And sometimes you feel like you cannot do more. That is okay. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You're just tired. And when you are tired, you need a break. A break is not a bad thing. A break is not a waste of time. A break is something we all need. When you take a break, you stop for a moment. You rest. You breathe. You sit down. You do nothing. Or you do something fun. You listen to music. You walk in the park. You drink tea. You talk to a friend. You smile. A break helps your mind. A break helps your body. A break helps your heart. Sometimes we think we must be busy all the time. We think if we stop, we lose time. But that is not true. When we rest, we grow. When we rest, we feel better. When we rest, we can work better after. Think about your phone. What happens when your phone has no battery? It stops. You cannot use it. You must charge it. You must wait. It is the same with you. You have energy, but you use it every day. You use it at work. You use it at school. You use it at home. You use it when you help others. If you do not stop, your energy goes down. You feel tired. You feel sad. You feel angry. You feel lost. So what do you need? You need a break. You need time to breathe. You need time to rest. You need time to smile. Many people think, I don't have time to rest. But if you don't rest, you cannot do your best. If you don't rest, your body gets sick. Your mind gets weak. You forget things. You make mistakes. You cry more. You get angry fast. Life becomes too hard. But when you take a small break, everything can change. Even a short walk can help. Even 5 minutes of silence can help. Even a cup of tea can help. Even a smile can help. You don't need a big holiday. You just need a small break every day. One quiet moment in the morning. One deep breath before sleep. One slow walk in the afternoon. One kind word to yourself. You're doing your best. You're trying. You are learning. You are working. But you are also human. You are not a robot. You cannot go all the time. You need to stop. You need to breathe. You need to feel okay. And that is why we all need a break sometimes. A break is not the end. A break is the way to keep going. A break gives you new energy. A break gives you new hope. A break helps you come back stronger. So, next time you feel tired, do not feel bad. Do not say, I must work more. Do not say, I cannot stop. Just stop for one moment. Put your phone down. Close your eyes. Take a breath. Listen to the wind. Look at the sky. Drink some water. Smile at the sun. Say to yourself, it's okay. I can rest now. That is not weakness. That is love. You are loving yourself. You are giving yourself care. You are giving yourself time. That is important. That is strong. When we rest, we heal. When we rest, we grow. When we rest, we learn to listen to our heart. Your heart is speaking. It says, please rest. Please slow down. Please take care of me. Listen to your heart. It knows what you need. Some people think they must be strong every day. But strong people also rest. Even the sun goes down. Even the moon takes turns with the stars. Even trees sleep in the winter. Even animals rest. So why not you? You can rest. You can stop. You can close your eyes. You can take care of yourself. Rest is a gift. Rest is a choice. Rest is your right. Do not wait until you are too tired. Take breaks before you fall. Take breaks before you cry. Take breaks before you feel empty. Your body talks to you. Your mind talks to you. They say, please stop for a while. Listen to them. Say, yes, I hear you. Let's rest now. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to do everything today. You can rest. The world will wait. Life will wait. Your work will wait. Your friends will wait. But your health cannot wait. Your heart cannot wait. Your smile cannot wait. Take time today. Sit with yourself. Feel the quiet. Feel the peace. Feel the light in your eyes again. Sometimes you will cry when you rest. That is okay. Your tears are part of your rest. Your tears wash away your pain. Let them come. Let them go. You are safe now. You are not alone. Many people feel like you. Many people need a break. Many people are tired too. So do not feel bad. Do not feel weak. You are just human. You are beautiful. You're doing your best. And sometimes the best thing you can do is stop and rest. Take a walk, watch the clouds, sing a song, close your eyes, hug someone or yourself, smile, laugh, dance, and be slow. And know this, you matter. Your feelings matter. Your energy matters. Your peace matters. So take care of them. Give yourself love. Give yourself time. Give yourself peace. The world moves fast, but you can move slow. You can sit. You can stop. You can take a deep breath. And when you are ready, you can begin again with new light, new hope, and new strength. Because you took a break, and that break gave you power. So, remember this message every day. Tell yourself, I need a break sometimes. And that is okay. Because it is true. You do not have to do it all. You just have to take care of yourself. And taking care of yourself starts with one small break. So please rest today. You deserve it. You are worth it. You are important. Thank you for listening.